Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast number 1180. Ooh. Check this out. Keep the riffraff out. That's today's expression. Keep, K-E-E-P, the riffraff out, O-U-T. Keep something out. What does that mean? Keep something out means don't allow something in, right? Keep the riffraff out. R-I-F-F-R-A-F-F. That's one word. R-I-F-F-R-A-F-F. Riffraff. Keep the riffraff out. Now, I use this expression at home. When I'm in my office and I'm working and I'm focused and I'm concentrating, sometimes my wife will come into my office, and that's fine. You know, it's her house too. But many times when my wife comes in, one of my boys, or sometimes two of my boys, I only have two, and sometimes my boys and my cats, they all start coming into my office. And I hate that because now I can't concentrate. If it's just my wife, it's okay. But the boys, the cats, no. So in this situation, I always tell my wife, keep the riffraff out. What's riffraff? Check out the dialogue and I'll explain. You want to go out on Friday night?
I'm going to Chad's party.
I wasn't invited.
He wants to keep the riffraff out.
Ooh, that's terrible. The first guy says, do you want to go out on Friday night? Have a good time, maybe have a beer? And the other guy says, I'm going to Chad's party. Chad is a guy's name. I'm going to some guy's party. And the first guy says, I wasn't invited. Aww. Why? Well, the other guy explains he wants to keep the riffraff out. Riffraff. What is this word? R-I-F-F-R-A-F-F, one word. It means undesirable people. People you don't like. People who do not belong. Peasants. P-E-A-S-A-N-T-S. As a negative word, not as a villager. But that's the idea. Like really, really rich people. Are you rich? Like really, really rich? They go to Monaco and they go to the really expensive hotels and they drive expensive cars and they go have coffee that costs $50. It's crazy. But can I, Coach Shane, can I go to those places? No. If I tried to go to a really expensive store like Louis Vuitton or Gucci, you know what they say to me? I'm not joking. I walk in, and this happened. One time I walked in to a Louis Vuitton store, walked in the front door, and one of the employees ran up to me and said, "Sir, please use the rear door for deliveries. Do not use the front door." She thought I was a delivery man, and she did not want me in the store, especially through the front door. She wanted me to use the back door. She thought I was riffraff. Isn't that terrible? Isn't that terrible? But that's the idea. The undesirable people, the poor people, the peasants. It's terrible. Are you riffraff? Even among riffraff, there's riffraff. Oh, sure. You can get a bunch of poor people like me together and still among us, me and my friends, there's riffraff. So even among riffraff, there's riffraff. Are you riffraff? Are you my brother, riffraff sister? No, we're all beautiful, wonderful people, right? If I have a party, don't worry, I will invite you. But don't expect me to invite you because I will probably never have a party. All right, that's today's expression. Check it out 2 more times. And together, let's master English. You want to go out on Friday night?
I'm going to Chad's party.
I wasn't invited.
He wants to keep the riffraff out.
You want to go out on Friday night?
I'm going to Chad's party.
I wasn't invited.
He wants to keep the riffraff out.